I'm a dragon. I'm a dragon. Yes. I want my peanut on the show. You want to suck my weenus? Get that shit off, man. I'm a dragon, man. Look at my wings. They're white. Let me get some Sprite. Hey, you see these? They suck. They don't work. I want to do a little 3D scene right there. So I'm a dragon. I'm a dragon.
He's gonna come back in here, hold on. He's gonna come in here. It's gotta wait. Here he comes.
I'm a dragon. I'm a dragon. Why are you still recording? I am a dragon with white wings. I don't even know if I'm playing a chord or not. It just sounds like shit. It sounds a little more epic. I'm playing with no strap. That's how good I am. Check it out. Stick into my sweaty belly. I'm a dragon. And I can't play guitar while I'm singing. So I try and space it out and make it sound like I am. Oh, I just snorted on camera. Made out of toilet paper. With no doo-doo. Turn this shit off, man. I'm done. You gotta turn this shit off. Turn it off.